beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Bello, and today I am back on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. I'll be showing you updates right from Oniru to where I don't know where it has gotten to up to this moment, but I'm walking on the road presently from that Oniru section. Then I'll be showing you where the road has gotten up to this stage. Mind you, this road actually started from the Ahmadu Bello junction, but I've been able to show you where it reached in some few months back. I'm back to show you the remaining section where work has been done. In one of my previous video, I was able to show you the Island-Lekki section, but today I'm back on the Ahmadu Bello / Lekki section where work is presently ongoing at the moment, and I'm walking on the road presently to see where the road has gotten to. So guys, follow me and let me show you the updates of what's happening on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. So presently I am towards landmark section, and you can see far down I've walked and how the road has been going. The bridge has been pushed further backwards. I'll be flying my drone to give you a better perspective and an area view of how this whole environment and this whole area is looking like presently. So guys, let's see the area view and what's happening right here on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, which is the Ahmadu Bello Lekki section. guys, this is where the concrete road has gotten up to, but the rest of the road has been sandfill. I don't know the name of this. There is a prominent church around this area. I think the name of the church is Love of Christ Generational Church. I'm not so sure about the name, but that is, for those who know this as is very well, that is where the concrete road has been able to get up to at this moment, which is end of September 2024. So I don't know the actual kilometers from Ahmadu Bello, but I'm still going further ahead to see what is in front of me and where the road exactly has actually been able to get up to. So guys, follow me along as I take you on this journey on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road with me. So right in front of me, and I'm getting to Oniru, that road that leads to Oniru New Market. This is unbelievable. This is one of the things this road will actually do for people living around the Lekki axis. I trekked from the Oniru beach. If this is trekkable, now imagine driving your car for people coming from the mainland to Lekki axis. It's going to be more faster and it's going to be more convenient than taking the Lekki-Epe Expressway, which will help a lot in decongesting the Lekki-Epe Expressway. This is unbelievable. Let me switch the camera so you can see. So presently guys, I'm towards Twin Waters Tower, which is just a little bit before you get to Marua, and the road construction has gotten up to here. Actually what is happening here is just grading and compartment. That is what is actually happening right here. And the Twin Tower is just behind me. There is an existing road towards that side before, but they are creating a new road entirely, not the one that leads to the Twin Waters Road. So guys, I just passed the Marua junction, the road that leads to Marua, which is around the second roundabout on Lekki, and the road is still moving further ahead of me. Actually thought they've gotten up to that stage and that was where they stopped, but as at now I've passed that junction and I can still see a lot of work has been done ahead on the road, which is grading and sand filling has been done. I don't know if they have gotten to Japan, but I don't think I can be getting to that place. There will be a lot of relief on the Lekki-Epe Expressway once this road is completed. It will just serve as a main road, while the Lekki-Epe Expressway might actually serve as an alternative road, because for me this route will be faster.
At this point, I was so tired. I checked the steps and distance I covered from Oniru Beach, and to my surprise, it's just about 5.76 kilometers, with the number of steps at above 10,000 steps. But I felt I have walked more than that. Probably, it means this route will be faster. I walked a little further and discovered that the road has gotten further ahead, the road that links to Nike-At-Gallery Road, which can be linked to Lekki-Epe Expressway towards Freedom Way. In a recent media chat, the Honourable Minister said the Section 1 of this road will be completed with tolls and open for use by May 2025.
When we started the coastal highway 700 kilometers, people did not understand the merits of this project. Today, the first section is going to be completed by May 29th, and we're going to toll it, and we're going to get back our money within 5 to 10 years.
And from the progress so far, it is possible. So guys, thank you for joining me to see the progress of work done on this project so far. See you in my next video.